Workplace wellness starts with simple, everyday habits that support employee health and safety. Risk assessments help identify potential dangers before they lead to injuries or long-term health concerns. Proactive hazard prevention, like cleaning spills and marking hazards, reduces the risk of workplace accidents. Regular health screenings catch early signs of illness, keeping employees proactive about their well-being. Screenings also provide a chance to discuss concerns, allowing for early intervention and better health management. Ergonomics and proper lifting techniques reduce strain and prevent musculoskeletal injuries. Simple ergonomic adjustments can prevent long-term pain and improve daily comfort at work. Wellness programs encourage movement, helping employees stay active throughout the day. From fitness challenges to group exercises, promoting movement at work supports overall well-being. Proper safety gear minimizes the risk of cuts, burns, and other workplace injuries. Safety protocols and the right equipment help prevent serious injuries across industries. Mental health support in the workplace improves focus, morale, and overall job satisfaction. Providing stress management resources helps employees stay balanced and engaged in their work. Occupational health services create healthier, happier workplaces, benefiting employees and businesses alike. Learn more about workplace wellness. Visit medcor.com.